Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment measures the temperature profile of the lunar topsoil around the pole to understand the thermal behavior of the moon's surface. It has a temperature probe equipped. The laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy (LIBS) instrument onboard Chandrayaan-3 rover has made the first-ever in-situ measurements on the elemental composition of the lunar surface near the South Pole. You might be wondering about the lunar soil and rocks in the South Polar region where Chandrayaan first in-situ measurements of the surface-bound lunar plasma environment over the South Polar region have been carried out by the radioanatomy of moon-bound hypersensitive. The Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity, ILSA, payload on the Chandrayaan-3 lander is the first instance of a microelectromechanical systems, MEMS, technology-based instrument on the moon. It has recorded the vibrations occurring due to the movements of rover and other payloads. ILSA comprises